Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. What is day today? Today is Tuesday and date 13th and month April and year 2021. Which period is this? English period. Today our topic alphabet from A to P. Students, today we will learn, write and recognize letters alphabet from A to P with correct formation. Okay students, first of all we will read the alphabet from A to P. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Recognize letters. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Students, this is my parrot. P for parrot. P for fawn. P for Pooh. Cartoon character Pooh. P for Pooh. B for bear. Students, here I have some flashcards for you. Alphabet from A to P. This is letter A. A for apple. A for apple. This is letter B. B for ball. B for ball. This is letter C. C for cat. I have a cat. Letter D. D for duck. This is letter E. E for elephant. This is the picture of elephant. This is letter F. F for fish. F for fish. I like to eat fish. This is letter G. G for grapes. I like to eat grapes. Letter H. H for house. H for house. This is letter I. I for iron. This is letter J. J for jar. This is letter K. K for kite. This is letter L. L for lamp. This is letter M. M for monkey. This is letter N. N for nest. This is letter O. O for orange. This is letter P. P for parrot. Students, this is activity time. Let's start. Students, today we will find out alphabet from A to P from wooden blocks. Yes, find out. Letter A. Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Where is H? H, I. Where is J? K. Where is letter L? Yes. L, M, N. Where is letter O? Yes. O. Where is P? Yes. Here is P. Wow, great. Start reading. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Let's start the copy work. What is day today? Today is Tuesday and date 13th and month April and year 2021. Today our topic alphabet from A to P. Students, today we will write alphabet from A to P with correct formation. Students, first of all we will write capital A, small a. Like this. Next, capital B, small b. Yes. Now, capital C, small c. Like this. Next, capital D, small d. Like this. Now, we will write capital E, small e. Yes. Next, capital F, small f. Like this. Next, capital G, small g. Like this. Next, capital H, small h. Like this. Next, capital I, small I. Like this. Next, capital J, small j. Like this. Next, capital K, small k. Like this. Next, capital L, small l. Yes. What comes after L? M. Capital M, small m. Like this. Next, capital N, small n. Yes. Next, capital O, small o. Yes. Next, capital P, small p. In this way, you will complete your work neat and clean and color in this picture very beautifully. Thank you.